Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a matcha smoothie. We'll cover everything from selecting your ingredients to blending the perfect consistency. Matcha, a special green tea, brings a unique flavor and a boost of energy to your day. Combining it into a smoothie makes for a refreshing and nutritious treat that's easy to prepare. To start, you'll need 1 to 2 teaspoons of good matcha powder. Next, pick your liquid base. About 1 cup of almond milk or coconut water works well. For natural sweetness and a creamy texture, add 1 cup of frozen fruit, like a banana or some mango. If you prefer it sweeter, a 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or honey is a great addition.
Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this guide, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. And on another note, just like a fresh matcha smoothie brightens your day, a fresh car scent can too. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video.
First, pour your chosen liquid base into the blender. Then, add the matcha powder, your frozen fruit, and any sweeteners you're using. Secure the lid tightly and blend on high speed. Continue blending until the mixture is perfectly smooth and has a uniform, creamy consistency. This usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds, depending on your blender. Feel free to customize your smoothie. For extra protein, add a scoop of your favorite powder. If you like it thicker, use less liquid or more frozen fruit. For a thinner consistency, just add a splash more milk. Serve your delicious matcha smoothie immediately in a chilled glass to enjoy its vibrant flavor and refreshing coolness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.